Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kasing Voice of the People Party VPP hakakatsan tarik urempang kalapalat palpa ikimat Treikam jang kaseng takajing skam jingmut Wanrah ka Jingkylla hakaliang ki emlang salang kayo kakot kasan hima sima bakalariti. Apalat palpa ikini kimat Treikam the President kaseng VPP upa aden ambassador haringkat kajingadon lang kiwe kinong alam rang ba kaseng kabalalong ha Sweet Home Guest House Hamuti Nagar Shillong. Katu kat ni kimat Treikam balap penpau da kaseng VPP kalang ban Wanrah kajing syong syangan heki kaput baban kintiu hakayo kakot bandan kajing alam kababiang bajai-jai ba scam ban Wanrah kasen syar palpa kabakut banang pen scam ya kabor ke ikhtiar ki try lum try jaka kumbalapin kum na domen shwa. Shushu kaseng kalapin tikna ban Wanrah ka roy kapar ka banyai ne banyadaya ka mariang ban pelong ya ka Meghalaya ka jilla ka bala ban pediang ka jing beitingka ban kintiu ki samla ban pelong ya ka jilla ka bayarin kat ka download barwa
กระทบมอบจุดทอก็จะมีสิ่งที่งานจะมีกับวิชั่นหากไล่ใจกี่คิดเตียนคาซีคิดเตียนพาริงและคิดเตียนฮินดีแต่yang ini pergiไล่บรรดาไล่ใจคิดเตียนแต่ละsedang ni kena keทบกับกับบางอย่างโบกับบางอย่างไอ้ที่จุดทอสิ่งที่เราการจะมีวิจัยก็จะมีบางอย่างWanrah ya kata ke Jingkylla dan juga Jingkylla ke sini kami harap kat vision statement ke bagi lah pelai paipa ban penimpat ban penphap ban penklatur ya ke Jingkylla ke sini lalu kami kong kita sedang ya kini dah kekian kasih labot dah kekian English ban kunjur dah kekian Hindi dalam tai itu kita jadi ban mok di Parlo kiji ke ba shong yo sa ni ga kiji ke bam la ban so tho ye ke khasi ba de ke English. Following vision for the state kapaning kong that Meghalaya shall be the state that is territorially secure and economically developed where poverty is eliminated. Number 2, that the state shall have strong and decisive leadership. Number 3, that peace and public security prevails that will ensure all-round development of the state. Number 4, that politics in the state is based on strong pillars of substantive democracy with essential features of rule of law, transparency, accountability, responsibility, and equity. Number 5, that the resources of the state shall be distributed equitably based on social justice and shall be sustainably used. Number 6, that the traditional land ownership system shall be maintained and strengthened. Number 7, that the environment and the ecosystem shall be restored and preserved. Number 8, that Meghalaya shall be an investment-friendly state. Number 9, that the youth of the state shall be empowered morally and intellectually, capable of competing with the rest of the world. Number 10, that Meghalaya shall be the state where gender equity prevails. In short, the party envisions the Meghalaya that is restored with the old good values inherited from our forefathers, that is revived morally, intellectually and materially, and transformed into a moral state for the rest of India. The VPP is strongly embedded in the principle of clean politics for achieving these noble objectives.
Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kanika scheme on pen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khatar hajating kashi snap shaki kinthei haman laki long yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai
hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang shanya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentiu bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC